Imagine you're trying to navigate the complex world of personal finance. Bills, savings, investments, it can feel overwhelming. What if there was a simpler, more intuitive way to manage your money? Enter Vivid Money. Have you ever wished there was a financial app that could understand your unique needs and goals? Something that could turn managing your money from a chore into a breeze? Well, that's exactly what Vivid Money aims to do. Let's dive deeper into what Vivid Money is all about. At its core, it's a mobile app that offers a wide range of financial services designed to make your financial life easier and more enjoyable. But what sets it apart from other financial apps? Key features and benefits. Personalized budgeting. One of Vivid Money's standout features is its ability to create personalized budgets based on your spending habits and financial goals. No more guessing how much you can afford to spend each month. Vivid Money does the math for you. Smart Categories. The app automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to track where your money is going. No more sifting through endless lists of transactions to understand your spending patterns. Goal setting. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or your dream home, Vivid Money helps you set and track your financial goals. You can even create multiple goals and allocate funds accordingly. Roundup Savings. A fun and easy way to save is through Vivid Money's Roundup feature. Every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up the amount to the nearest whole number and automatically saves the difference. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. Spaces. Vivid Money allows you to create spaces for different purposes, such as savings for a specific goal, a shared account with friends or family, or even a virtual piggy bank. It's a flexible way to organize your finances and keep track of different pots of money. Gamification. Vivid Money incorporates gamification elements to make managing your finances more engaging. You can earn badges, complete challenges, and compete with friends to stay motivated. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea of how Vivid Money can benefit you, let's hear from some real users. Insert testimonials or case studies from satisfied Vivid Money customers. Vivid Money is more than just a financial app. It's a financial companion that helps you take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. With its user-friendly interface, personalized features, and gamification elements, Vivid Money makes managing your finances enjoyable and rewarding. So, if you're tired of the hassle of traditional banking and looking for a more modern, intuitive way to manage your money, Vivid Money is definitely worth checking out. Ready to simplify your financial life? Download Vivid Money today and start experiencing the benefits of a smarter, more personalized approach to money management. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Vivid Money, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy saving and spending.